All right, for my central message, I learned that the boy can ride his bike without help. In the beginning of the story, he didn't think he could do that. But by the end of the story, I learned that the boy can ride a bike without help. So, what did the author want me to learn from this story? The author wanted me to learn that you can do more than you think you can, to keep trying, to keep persevering. You can do it. All right, let's go back and let's look at um, our talk down here. We learned some academic words today. Central message. Central message is just a big fancy two words for what one little word did we learn it really meant. Central message is big fancy word for lesson. What is the lesson learned? How can we learn what the central message is? By using key details. What is the key details that the author is using to help us to learn the central message or to learn the lesson in the story? Okay, now I want you to go and you're going to write me a quick write, 3 to 5 sentences. Write about a time that you did something you were afraid of at first. Describe what happened and how you felt and what you learned from the experience. So on the next slide, that's what you're going to be doing, a quick write.